Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on eToro. And I just created an account right here on eToro, and once you created an account and logged into that account, you will see exactly this homepage that I'm seeing right now. So this is the place where I want to start my tutorial. So let's start from here with going to our demo account. And if you look to the left sidebar, you will find right here the main account option. So if you click right there on main account, we can switch right here to virtual portfolio demo account. So click right there on that account. And then we are now in our demo account. So let's say we want to trade with our demo account. What we're going to do is we search right here for a symbol that we want to trade on. So let's say Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is already standing right there, but if you don't have Bitcoin, search right there for Bitcoin, and then we click right here on Bitcoin. Then you will find right here the performance. You have a lot of information around, about Bitcoin, around Bitcoin and whatever. And I'm interested right here in the chart. So we click right here now on chart, and then you will get this awesome TradingView supported chart. So this is exactly what we want to see. So we can do our own technical analysis right here if you want to do that. But let's say we want to create a position on the chart. Then what we're going to do is we click here on buy if you want to long and sell if you want to short. So let's click right here on buy, and then we can fill in right here or buy position. So let's say I want to buy, now 10K is a lot. Let's say we want to buy for $500. Then you see right here the units. Now we can also change units, and then you will see right here the amounts. But I prefer to use amount right here. I don't know. I like that more because then I know exactly with how much money I step in. And then what we can do is we can click here to add a stop loss. And that means that we can fill in right here the profit loss amount. So let's say when he goes down, let's say minus 100, that means now that when our amount of price will go down 100%, and that is in this place 54K, then he will close or trade. So if you want to do that, you can do that if you want to do that. You can also do that for take profit. So then you can say, let's say when the price goes up to 70K, he will close or trade and will automatically take our profits. So you can do that if you want to do that. But for now, I don't want to do that. And then what we're going to do is the leverage is always 1. And then there's one thing that we can do from here. And that is we click here on buy. So now we click here on buy, and if you can see, we have a order filled, and now we are having a position on Bitcoin. Now, if you want to do this for a sell position, we can click here on sell and then do exactly the same steps that we did for a sell position, for a short. But this is in a nutshell how you can trade right here with a demo trading account. So if you have more questions about demo trading, please comment it down below. But this is in a nutshell what you need to know to start demo trading right here on the chart in eToro. So right now, if you go to portfolio, you will find right here your trades. And this is exactly what you need to know, guys. So if you want to know more, please comment down below so I can help you out. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.